Hey there, this is Sumit. So I am tired of writing code. So in this video, I am going to share these 5 steps. Can you see this number? I am going to share 5 steps that you will need to know if you want to start with OpenAI API. I recently uploaded 2 videos on OpenAI API. One is about function calling and another is about how you can create your custom assistants. And I shared some really nice code examples. But this video is just a simple animated video. I hope you like it. Yeah, that's all. To begin using OpenAI API, you first need to create an account, which can be done at platform.openai.com. It's essential to add payment information to your account and ensure that the spending limit is in line with your budget. This platform is also your go-to resource for accessing documentation, managing your account, and another API related functionalities. Second, pricing. When using OpenAI API, pricing is based on the number of tokens you use. A token, which is a segment of symbols and letters, means that a single word could cost between 1 to 7 tokens, sometimes more. The cost varies depending on the chosen model and the purpose of use, with current pricing detail available at openai.com/pricing. Token costs for input are generally lower than for outputs, which is an important factor to consider when budgeting for both input and output. With that, the third step is authentication. For security, OpenAI API employs API keys for authentication. These keys can be generated and managed at platform.openai.com, and it's important to give each key a descriptive name, and please copy that key once it is generated because that's the only time you see your key. If you accidentally close the model without copying the key, you'll need to create a new one. In your application, the API key is passed as bearer token in requests authentication header. It's important to securely store your API key, especially in a web-based application where the key might be visible in your code. Fourth step is Playground. I already talked a lot about Playground in my videos about OpenAI assistants. I also created an assistant in OpenAI Playground. Then I created it with the help of Python code. Playground is an excellent choice if you are a beginner. It allows the creation of custom assistants and standard chat setups, offering complete control over API aspects like model selection and parameter settings. The Playground is especially beneficial for understanding the AI's responses to different prompts. The last step is code integration. We can easily call OpenAI API in our code. The OpenAI API is standard RESTful API that responds to HTTP requests, allowing integration using various coding language and REST-based methods. OpenAI API provides specialized library for Python and Node.js. These libraries named OpenAI can be added to your project with the help of a package manager like pip for Python and npm for Node.js. They include helper function and extensive documentation with practical code examples. To use these libraries, simply import the OpenAI library into your project, create a new OpenAI instance, and input your API key. That's how easy it is. And I have created this GitHub repository where you can see all these examples. Yeah, that's all. These are the 5 steps you need. If you need any further adjustment, please let me know in comment.